Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to bake vegetarian chocolate cupcakes. Here are the ingredients to make the cupcakes. 1.5 cups of organic unbleached plain flour, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 medium-sized ripe bananas, half cup of butter, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 1/4 tablespoons of flaxseed powder mixed in 3 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate, 3/4 cup of milk, 3/4 cup of raisins. Then you need a mixing bowl and utensils to mash and mix. First, you need to mash the bananas. Then add butter to the mashed bananas. After that, add the soaked flaxseed. You can then add the vanilla essence. Mix all the wet ingredients together before adding the milk. Upon adding the milk, whisk together. Now, move on to work on the dry ingredients. Add the cocoa powder, baking powder and sodium bicarbonate to the flour. Mix until well combined and sieve the ingredients. For sieving, you may ask for adults' help. Then add sugar to the dry ingredients and mix well. You can also opt to add sugar to the wet ingredients. Once done, combine wet and dry ingredients and whisk together. In the meantime, preheat the baking oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Finally, add the raisins to the batter and mix gently. Now, the hard part begins. Fill the paper baking cups with the batter. I am using my ice cream scoop. You may use either ice cream scoop or 2 spoons to transfer the batter to the cups. Make sure only 3/4 of the cups are filled. You may then garnish the filled cups with your favorite toppings. I garnish my cupcakes with crushed nuts and Oreo cookies. Bake your cupcakes for 30 minutes or until your cake tester comes out clean. Remember to ask for adults' help when you need to use the oven. Yay! My cupcakes are ready! Now it's time to taste my cupcake. Yummy! I'm going to continue eating my cupcake. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Nangai's Adventure. Bye!